Okay, so here's a video just to show you the process to get your file to be viewable in augmented reality. So I'm opening up the link. In this case I happen to be in Gmail, so maybe you email the link to yourself, and I press on the link, open it with Chrome, and it goes into this browser view of your file, which will open up in just a second. And then from there we're going to need to save it as okay, so here's the file. Then I have to go to with these three lines up in the upper left corner, and I'm going to choose Save As. And because I have the SketchUp app on my iPad, it points me to saving it into my SketchUp models. I press that, and I will give this a name. I'll call this Test 4. Save here. And okay, so then I'm going to open up my SketchUp app. So if I go back to all my apps, probably here's my SketchUp app, and in just a moment I'll maybe refresh this. So you can see Test 4 is visible now. It'll take a while to download, so I'm just going to open up one that I did the same thing with a moment ago. So Test 3, it's the same file. And this is the key part. Now I'm in the SketchUp app. At the very lower left corner of my toolbar here, you see a, I'm just putting my mouse over, my finger over, I press this thing that looks like a cube, and it loads it, and this is where, if you're outside, you're going to place, if you can see here, that is actually my file, and as I move around, I can use my thumbs to resize it, position it. This is obviously not to scale, but you get the general idea. I can move it up and down, I can change the scale, and then eventually what I've done, there might be a better way, but if you want to then capture how it looks in the environment, I'm just taking a screenshot by pressing the power button in the upper right top of my iPad and then the home screen button. You get like a little snapshot. You've probably done that before, and it's going to show some of the other kind of elements like of the interface. If I press done, you might actually be able to save to photos. If I go and I open up my photos, I can actually probably get a better view of it. Here, photos. That's what I just made. You know, you can maybe crop this a little bit. Actually, what I did was I just sort of enlarged like this. Anyway, you can edit as you see fit, but that's the basic idea.